students, standard 9th maths, chapter 6, lines and angles, and we are into the second session. It's part 2. Alright, in the previous part, well, we learnt about equal lines, distinct lines, equal line segments, distinct line segments, equal rays and distinct rays. Alright, maybe it was boring session, but for basics, it's very essential. Alright, children, and we also saw the definition of angle. Today, we are going to see types of angles. Okay? This angle is called acute angle. Measure less than 90 degree. You are familiar with that. This angle is called right angle. Measure equal to 90. And there is specific symbol to represent 90 degree. And here is the angle. Third type, it's called obtuse angle, and its measure is greater than 90 degree. But if you talk about any angle, by the postulate of measure of angle, the measure is greater than 0 and less than 180 degree. Remember this. We are talking about types of angle. Okay, types of angle. This you have already learnt in lower class and you are very much familiar with it, but it's in your book, so we just recall it. Okay, you may not be very excited to know about acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Why? Because you already know that. Okay, I learnt in 3rd standard about this types of angle. Alright, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. All the children remembered very well what is right angle. An angle having exactly 90 degree measure is called right angle. But at that time, yes, there was confusion between acute angle and obtuse angle. I remember very well in the examination, it was asked, what is the measure of an angle? Alright, what is the angle called which is having measure less than 90 degree, correct? It should have been acute angle. By mistake, even I wrote obtuse angle. But then, during the when teacher was discussing the paper, alright, when the paper was solved, that time teacher gave us one trick. She is very good teacher, Francisca teacher. She taught us maths in 3rd standard, alright, and you will be excited to know the trick. Yes, so during that time there was confusion between acute and obtuse. Children used to write obtuse for acute and acute for obtuse. Correct? Alright. Now, I don't know, some of you may be making mistake right now also, getting confused with acute and obtuse. Now, what trick she gave us? She told us to say acute 10 times. So, acute, 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 we said 10 times. Then obtuse, 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 obtuse. But she showed us how to say it. Acute. So your cheeks doesn't swell. But when you say ob, automatically it swells. Obtuse. Obtuse. Try to swell your cheeks by saying acute. Acute. Because the lips doesn't hold. The lips doesn't close. So you can never swell your cheeks when you say acute. Acute. But when you say lips closed, ob, when you say b, ob, your lips closed, so automatically it swells. More than 90. And when chicks get seen, less than 90. So everyone remembered after that very well. So I have inherited that trick to you. All right. Now, definition of acute angle. An angle having measure less than 90 degree. Greater than 0 तो है, वो mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. What is right angle? An angle having measure exactly 90 degree is called right angle. What is obtuse angle? An angle having measure greater than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. We don't need to mention that. Greater than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Correct? Okay? Chaliye. We'll see some more types of angles. Children, all right. These are three types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. They satisfy the definition of angle. And what is the definition? Two rays with common initial point and not lying on the same line. Two rays with common initial point and not lying on the same line. Two rays with common initial point and not lying on the same line. Plus, the postulate of measure of angle says the measure of an angle can be only between 0 and 180. It cannot be 0, it cannot be 180. Alright? Lekin, some figures that I am going to draw do not satisfy the definition of angles, but still they are termed as angles and they are given specific name of angles as well. Why? Because practically they are used very much. So let's find out which are those angles. First, you might say, sir, this is acute angle. I'm not going to talk about this angle. I'm talking about this angle. So it is satisfying all the conditions. तो उसको तो angle कहेंगे ही. Two rays are originating from the same point. Alright? And they are not on the same line. But the postulate of measure of angle is not satisfied. ये जो है, ये बाजू मैं कह दूं इसको थीटा. ये एंगल का मेजर को क्या बोल दूं? थीटा. थीटा इज अ ग्रीक लेटर. जैसे गुजराती में क ख ग, इंग्लिश में ए बी सी, वैसे थीटा में कुछ लेटर्स आते हैं, सॉरी ग्रीक लेटर्स आते हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज थीटा. सपोज मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल इज थीटा और मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल इज अल्फा. तो ये जो थीटा है, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0 डिग्री एंड लेस देन 90 डिग्री. लेकिन ये जो अल्फा है, that is greater than 180 and less than 360. Greater than 180 and less than 360. I'll tell you why. देखो, एक वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ किया और एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ किया. So 4 angles are formed. ये 90, ये 90, ये 90, ये 90. So ये पूरा एंगल राउंड ले लो, पूरा एंगल ले लो, 4 एंगल का कॉम्बिनेशन. तो 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that gives you 360. So if you are talking about this angle, it is 90. If you are talking about these two angles, ये दो एंगल ले लो, तो it is 180. If you are talking about these 3 angles together, मतलब ये रे और ये रे, और इस एंगल की बात करें तो दैट विल बी 270 डिग्री। एंड इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल एंगल, ये रे और वही रे, लेकिन ये बाहर का एंगल, then it is 360 degree. I hope that is clear to you. It's not confusing. तो अब बात करेंगे दिस एंगल की। इसका नाम एंगल ABC। एंगल ABC जो थीटा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो रियल मायने में एंगल है, एंड इट इज एक्यूट एंगल। ये एक्यूट एंगल है, राइट, ये एक्यूट एंगल है। लेकिन वही एंगल ABC, but if I consider this, then it is called reflex angle, children. You have learned about this also perhaps in 7th standard. All right? ये theta plus alpha should be 360. Yes, ये theta जो है वो greater than 0 and less than 180, और ये alpha जो है वो greater than 180 होता है और less than 360 होता है. So if theta is acute angle or any angle, if theta is any angle, the other angle making total measure of 360 with theta is called its reflex angle. All right. So what is reflex angle? An angle whose measure lies between 180 and 360 is called reflex angle. Theoretically, it is not an angle, but it is given the name angle because practically the practical use of reflex angle is more in our lives. Okay, ठीक है, ये बात हो गई. Next type of angle, जिसे हम एंगल नहीं कह सकते फिर भी एंगल कह रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में उसे ज्यादा यूज किया जाता है. See this one ray, right? Black ray and then red ray, they are opposite rays. The two rays are originating from the same point. They are distinct rays, correct? But both the rays lie on the same line. They should be contained by distinct lines to form an angle. So theoretically they do not form an angle. If you consider definition, it doesn't satisfy the definition, the conditions of definition. But this angle formed by these two rays is termed as straight angle. It is termed as straight angle. Straight angle. Now this, it is called straight angle. मतलब एंगल तो है लेकिन वो डेफिनेशन को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है, बट हमारी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. आई एम रिपीटिंग दैट अगेन एंड अगेन, आई थिंक. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल? ये स्ट्रेट एंगल का मेजर कितना होगा? 180. आप समझ सकते हो, यहां से यहां, या इफ यू ड्रॉ वन परपेंडिकुलर लाइन तो दो राइट एंगल्स होंगे, 90 प्लस 90, सो दैट इज 180. और नीचे भी 90 प्लस 90, सो ये भी 180, ये भी 180. आप इस पॉइंट को ए कह दो, इसको बी कह दो, इसको सी कह दो. सो एंगल BAC, स्ट्रेट एंगल. एक्चुअली वी कैन नॉट से एंगल BAC, ऐसे कह ही नहीं सकते, बट उसे स्ट्रेट एंगल कहा जाता है और उसका मेजर 180 होता है. करेक्ट? Now, so there is addition of two more angles, you can say reflex angle and straight angle. ये सही मायने में टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स है, ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में ज्यादा यूज है. एंड दिस टू डू नॉट सेटिस्फाई द डेफिनेशन. जो डेफिनेशन की कंडीशन है, क्या कंडीशन है? दो रेस डिस्टिंक्ट होनी चाहिए, तो ये तीनों में है, इसमें भी है डिस्टिंक्ट रेस. दूसरी बात, दे शुड ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम कॉमन इनिशियल पॉइंट. यस, इसमें भी है. और तीसरी वाली जो कंडीशन है वो ये सिर्फ 3 सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं. ये दोनों रेस शुड बी कंटेन्ड बाय द सेम लाइन. दे शुड बी लाइंग ऑन द दे शुड बी लाइंग ऑन द डिस्टिंक्ट लाइन. तो आप समझ सकते हो, ये लाइन पे है और ये लाइन पे है, डिस्टिंक्ट लाइन पे है. ये लाइन पे है और सेकंड रे ये लाइन पे है. ये फर्स्ट रे ये लाइन पे है, सेकंड रे ये. अब इसको देखो, ये लाइन पे है और ये लाइन पे है. बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंगल हुज मेजर पोस्टुलेट नहीं सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. मेजर इज ग्रेटर देन 180 और 360, लेकिन एंगल का मेजर तो 0 और 180 के बीच ही होता है. सो ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. यहां, यस, यहां वो सेकंड कंडीशन नहीं सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. both the rays lie on the same line. So you cannot call them angle. But still we are calling it as straight angle. Fine. I hope children you have understood the types of angles. अच्छा, एक और चीज बता दूं मैं. This is one ray. Same initial point. Same ray. So what is angle? What is angle between this? Theoretically तो आप कह ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि same initial point है but they are on the same line और ये distinct भी नहीं है, equal है. But anyway you can say angle formed between this is having 0 degree. या यहां से शुरू करके यहां तक एंगल आएंगे बाहर से तो 360 डिग्री, लेकिन इसको रिफ्लेक्स एंगल कह सकते हैं. करेक्ट? ये दोनों का टोटल करो तो 360. You understand? Okay. So when the two rays are equal rays, the angle formed between them either you can say 0 or 360. 0 degree. Logically you can say that again this angle does not satisfy the conditions of its definition, but practically you can say the angle between the measure of angle between these two rays is 0, or even you can say 360 if we are talking about reflex angle. I hope the types of angles are clear to you, and I'm sure you learned something new which you did not learn before. Okay? Fine children. So we have just seen different types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, and two more: straight angle and reflex angle. Now we are going to see pairs of angles. Children, if you know about music directors, alright, music directors, they are mostly found in pairs, like Jatin Lalit, Laxmikant Pyarelal, Sajid Wajid, Shankar Jaikishan, Nadim Shravan, Vishal Sekhar. They are two different people. They are always in pairs. Mostly. Alright? When you talk about music directors, they are always in pairs. Mostly they are in pairs. I've given you examples. Like that, some angles are also found in pairs. Well, you can differentiate them into two categories. दो अलग अलग तरीके से उसको हम कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं, दो अलग क्लासेस में रख सकते हैं. I'll draw the figure, you just watch them. Pair of angles. First, here is one angle. Here is another angle. This is one pair. Second pair. This is one angle. This is another angle. Third pair. This is one angle. And this is other angle. There are two angles. Alright? You might say there are three angles. And you are right. This, and the whole angle. But I'm talking about this angle and this angle. Pair. मुझे pair of angles ही देखना है. Fourth. See, 1 and 2. They are pair of angles. Fifth. You can talk about this and this, or this and this, or this and this. You might say there are three angles, but I would like to take only two angles. Alright, I'll choose only pair. I've chosen this. Sixth. Pair of angles. Correct? I've drawn 6 pairs of angles. Do you find any difference in them? Can you divide this 6 into 2 types? Children, look here. How many arms do you see here? You know, every angle has 2 arms, 2 rays which form them. They are called arms of an angle. We have seen that. So every angle has 2 arms. So in this, how many arms you see? 4. In this, 4. In this, you see only 3 arms. 2 of first one and 2 of second one. Then it should be 4. But 1 arm is common. Correct? In this, you can see only 3 arms. If you have 2 angles, you should have 4 arms. But you have only 3 because 1 arm is common. Here also, you will find only 3 arms. If you are talking about these 2 angles, they should have 2 plus 2, 4 arms. But only 3 arms are there because 1 arm is common. Here also 1 arm is common. So pairs of angles having 1 arm common and pairs of angles which is not having any arm common. ऐसे 2 pairs मिल सकते हैं. Children, please. Correct? So you can divide like this, pairs of angles having 1 arm common. And here no arms are common. No arms are common. So these pairs of angles you can easily detect 4 arms. And in this you will see 3 arms. है तो 4 but 1 arm is common. करेक्ट? एक आर्म दोनों के लिए कॉमन है. लाइक ये रूम है, बाजू में रूम है. करेक्ट? एंड दिस वॉल इज कॉमन. वॉल एक ही है लेकिन वो 2 रूम से लगा हुआ है. करेक्ट? चलिए, सो ये जो आर्म एंगल्स है, एंगल्स हैविंग 1 आर्म कॉमन, दे आर कॉल्ड adjacent angles. They are called adjacent angles. ये मेरा फ्लैट का रूम है, ये दीवार के पीछे दूसरे फ्लैट का रूम है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो हम दोनों पड़ोसी हुए. I and my house and the house, yes, beyond this wall are neighboring houses. We are neighbors. Other word is adjacent. Mathematical term used for neighbor. ये neighbor ही है. Neighbor. Do you understand? So इस तरीके से this is one angle and this is another angle. This angle serpentine बताता हूं, आपको ऐसा नहीं ड्रॉ करना है. ये कॉमन आर्म है दोनों का. So this angle and this angle, they are neighboring angles. Neighboring angles. But we use neighbor word in लिटरेचर, भाषा का शब्द है. उसके लिए इट्स नॉट एन, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक. एडजेसेंट. Adjacent angles. So yes, now what are adjacent angles? The definition: 2 distinct angles having 1 arm in common is said to be adjacent pair of angles. So first type of pairs of angles. I am talking about pairs of angles, not angle. Here 2 angles. So first pair of angle is adjacent pair of angles. Alright? ये adjacent नहीं है. So these are adjacent and you can say these are non-adjacent. इसको बोलो adjacent pair of angles. And these are, of course, you can say non-adjacent pair of angles. मैथ्स में ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा गया. हाँ, इसके लिए कहा गया है. The word adjacent is used, but no word adjacent is used for this. Sorry, non-adjacent word is used for this. But we can say जो adjacent नहीं है वो non-adjacent है. All right. So what is the first type of pair of angles we have seen? Adjacent pair of angles. ये mathematically defined नहीं है, लेकिन जो adjacent नहीं है उसे हम non-adjacent कहेंगे. Is that clear? So I'll start making a list of pairs of angles here. Okay? So tell me, what is the first type of pairs of angles? First, we have seen adjacent. pair of angles. Adjacent pair of angles. That is okay. Chaliye, next you've already learned. So I'll write here. Complementary pair of angles. Complementary pair of angles. We say complementary angles. आपको याद है? याद आया? What is complementary pair of angles? If the total measure of given two angle is 90, suppose angle A is given and angle B is given. If their total measure is equal to 90, then this pair of angle is known as complementary pair of angles. Is that clear to you? Yes. ये जो दो एंगल की हम बात कर रहे हैं, they may be adjacent, may not be adjacent. वो adjacent हो सकते हैं, non adjacent भी हो सकते हैं. हमें सिर्फ इतना देखना है कि उसका टोटल मेजर 90 हो रहा है कि नहीं. We have to just see whether the sum of measures of two angles is 90 or not. If it is, then it is called complementary pair of angles. Correct? Third, याद आया? Complementary के साथ दूसरा भी एक पैर है, तुरंत याद आ जाना चाहिए. You can recall that very easily. बोलिए. Yes. What you are saying correct? Supplementary pair of angles. Supplementary pair of angles. Okay? सिर्फ इतना फर्क है. एंगल P और एंगल Q, ये दो एंगल का टोटल मेजर 180. If the total measure of two angles is 180, then such a pair of angle is called supplementary pair of angles. Is that clear? Once again, ये दो एंगल P और Q adjacent pair हो सकते हैं, non adjacent pair हो सकते हैं. We are least concerned about whether they are adjacent pair या non adjacent pair. We are just making sure that total measure of the two angle is 180 or not. If it is so, then it is called supplementary pair of angles. Then it is called supplementary pair of angles. All right. Can we move on to the next pair of angles? All right. I won't write here. Okay. But I'll draw. So this. And this. I'll put red ray. Children, what is this? Okay, two angles. ये एंगल और ये एंगल. एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 नाम ऐसे दे देते हैं. उसका टोटल मेजर कितना हुआ? 180. So you can say angle 1 plus angle 2. The total measure is 180. So definitely they are supplementary pair of angles. You can say they are supplementary. Correct? But this pair is also adjacent pair of angles. है ना? Supplementary भी है, adjacent भी है. Because one arm, the red arm, is common. We have just defined adjacent pair of angles. So if adjacent pair of angle is supplementary, तो उसे कहते हैं linear pair of angles. It is called linear pair of angles. So number 4, linear pair. Now how will you define them? An adjacent pair of angles which are supplementary, which is supplementary, अथवा adjacent pair of angles whose total measure is 180 is called linear pair. Are you getting me? There is one way, other way of defining. If two angles are such that its one arm is common and the remaining arm forms a pair of opposite rays. देखो ये blue ray वो opposite rays है. A pair of angles, angle 1 and angle 2, they make a pair of angles having red arm in common. That means one arm in common, and the remaining two arms form a pair of opposite rays. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. And the remaining arms form a line. Pair of opposite rays means line. So what is the definition of linear pair of angles? A pair of angles whose one arm is common and the remaining arms form a line is known as linear pair. ये जो remaining arms है, they form a line, and from that it has earned its name linear. Clear to you? So fourth is a linear pair of angles. We move on to the next one. I'll draw the figure, right? And from there you detect what pair of angles are they. Here is one line, there another line, two intersecting lines, you can say L and M. Children, how many angles are formed? 4, very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about angle 1 and 2? Yes, one arm is common and remaining arms are forming a line. So angle 1 and angle 2 is a linear pair of angles. Correct. What about angle 2 and angle 3? Once again, this arm is common and the remaining two arms form line L. So it's another linear pair. What about angle 3 and angle 4? Yes, it's linear pair. This arm is common and the remaining arm forms line M. And one more you will get. And that is angle 4 and angle 1. Yes, this arm is common and remaining arm forms line L. So angle 1, angle 2 first, angle 2, angle 3 third, angle 3, angle O. Okay, and angle 4 के साथ 1. These are 4 linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles, pairs. 4 है तो pairs बोलेंगे. So we get 4. So what can we conclude from here? When two distinct lines intersect each other at a point, 4 angles are formed. That is for sure angle 1, angle 2 and angle. And these 4 angles produce 4 pairs of linear angles, or 4 linear pairs of angles. So whenever two distinct lines are intersecting, 4 linear pairs of angles are formed. अब आप angle 1 और angle 3 को देखें. Angle 1, ये red ray, ठीक है? The two arms of angle 1 are these two red arms, and the two arms of angle 3, this black arm. ये serpentine line मत draw करना हा please, अभी सिर्फ समझाने के लिए. So what is a pair of angle 1 and 3 called? आपको याद है? What is this pair called? अच्छा, it is called vertically opposite angles. Pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite pair of angles. Is that clear to you? Now, how will you define them? Angle 1 and angle 3. उसका ये आर्म, एक आर्म मैं पसंद करता हूं और 3 का दूसरा आर्म पसंद करता हूं. So one arm of red angle and one arm of black angle. What do they form? Line L. The remaining two arms, ये red angle का ये arm and black angle का ये arm, angle 3 का, they form another line M. So how will you define angle 1 and angle 2? Their arms form two pairs of opposite rays. ये एक अपोजिट रे, ये दूसरी अपोजिट रे. आपको पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट रे नहीं बोलना है, तो ये रे और ये रे अपोजिट रे क्या बनाती है? लाइन. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो हाउ विल यू डिफाइन अ पेयर ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स? अ पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स whose arms forms two lines. Whose arms form two lines. All right, is known as vertically opposite pair of angles. Or you may say a pair of angles whose arms form two pairs of opposite rays is known as vertically opposite angles, अथवा pair of vertically opposite angles. उसी तरह चिल्ड्रन आप अभी एंगल 2 और एंगल 4 को देखो, 2 का ये आर्म और एंगल 4 का ये आर्म, उसने लाइन बनाया या पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट रे बनाया, और दूसरे आर्म्स ने भी लाइन बनाया, और यू कैन से पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट रेज. सो एंगल 1 और एंगल 3, एंगल 2 और एंगल 4, they are called vertically opposite angles. They are called vertically opposite angles. I have put here. Correct? So when two lines intersect each other in one point, how many pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed? 2. And how many linear pairs of angles are formed? 4. Is that clear to you? So children, what we learned? Adjacent pair of angles, complementary pair of angles, supplementary pair of angles, linear pair of angles, and vertically opposite pair of angles. I hope you have understood each and every pair of angles. Earlier in this session we talked about only types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, straight angle. Reflex and straight, theoretically there is no definition for that, right? Now we saw pairs of angles, adjacent pair of angles, complementary pair of angles, supplementary pair of angles, linear pair of angles, and a pair of vertically opposite angles. Alright, children, एक ट्रू और फॉल्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको समझना है. Say this, ये एक एंगल है जिसका मेजर 40 डिग्री है. There is another angle whose measure is 140 degree. So ये ग्रीन पेयर ऑफ एंगल है. यहां एक एंगल है जिसका मेजर 60 है और दूसरा एंगल का मेजर 120 है. तीसरा हियर ये एक एंगल है उसका मेजर 30 है और ये दूसरा एंगल है उसका मेजर 150 है. ये एक एंगल है जिसका मेजर 80 डिग्री है एंड देयर इज अनदर एंगल जिसका मेजर 110 डिग्री है. चलिए ये ग्रीन पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स 140 प्लस 40 कर दो, सो 180. ये पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स 120 प्लस 60 कर दो, 180. ये पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स 30 प्लस 150 कर दो, 180. ये पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स 110 प्लस, या दिस शुड बी 70, तो 70 करता हूं, या इसको 100 कर देते हैं. ये 80 रहने दो, 80 जितना लगता है, वेरी क्लोज टू 90. सो 110 प्लस, it's 100 only now. 100 plus, it's 180. So first pair of angles, ये first pair of angles, ये second pair of angles, ये third pair of angles, and this is fourth pair of angles. The sum of measures of all four pairs of angles is 180. The sum is 180. The sum of first pair of angle, second pair of angle, third pair of angle, and fourth pair of angle. The sum is 180. So आप उसको supplementary pair of angles कह सकते हैं. You can call them supplementary pair of angles. All these angles are supplementary. Why? Because the total measure is 180. अच्छा, now how many are linear? क्या इसको linear बता सकते हैं? भाई linear pair तो adjacent होने चाहिए, तो ये linear नहीं है. क्या ये linear है? Yes, one arm is common and remaining arm forms pair of opposite rays. So ये adjacent angles है. So this is linear. What about this? Yes, one arm common and the remaining arms form a line. So ये भी linear. क्या ये linear है? No. So linear सिर्फ दो है. Linear सिर्फ दो है. Linear pair of angles. चलिए, ये जो दो linear pair of angles है, can you tell them supplementary angles? Can you call them supplementary angles? ये सिर्फ सेकंड और थर्ड लीनियर पेयर है. कैन यू कॉल देम सप्लीमेंट्री? यस, व्हाई नॉट? ये लीनियर का टोटल 180 होता है, सो दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. सो एवरी लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल इज सप्लीमेंट्री. ट्रू. इन फैक्ट दैट इज वन पोस्टुलेट. अच्छा, अब चारों को देखो. ऑल फोर आर सप्लीमेंट्री पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स. ऑल फोर आर सप्लीमेंट्री पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स. है कि नहीं? Can you call all four of them linear pair? No, only two are linear out of that because they are adjacent pairs. So linear pairs are having total measure 180 plus they have to be adjacent. So here true or false statement. Every supplementary pair of angle is linear. No, false. Every linear pair of angle is always supplementary. Yes, true. I hope that is clear.
So, alright children, I have already explained to you different types of angles and pairs of angles. Now for you to note down in your notebook, here are those definitions, alright? Okay, first is acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is known as an acute angle, alright? Whenever you define, if figure is possible, you must draw the figure, please. So here is an acute angle, alright? You can name it A, B and C, alright? You can write this angle X, and X greater than 0 degree, but it is less than 90 degree. So angle ABC is an acute angle here. Is that clear to you children? The next definition is right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is known as a right angle, not N. It's known as a right angle. And then you may draw one figure here. Correct? There is exact or perfect symbol for right angle. Let's say this is PQR. So here angle PQR is right angle, and this symbol itself indicates 90 degree measure. Clear to you? Okay, good. Now, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree is known as an obtuse angle. So let's see figure. Let's say this is angle X, Y, Z, and say this measure is small a. Small a is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So, obtuse angle. Okay. Next is very important, and that is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is between 180 degree and 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Alright, now please look here. Here is one acute angle that I am drawing. You can draw obtuse angle also if you want. Correct? Measure of this angle is less than 90. But this angle, let's say the name of this angle is ABC. Let me say this is X. Measure of this angle is X. X is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. And let me say this one is Y. Y is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So this angle ABC is called reflex angle. Okay, clear to you? Moving ahead with pairs of angles now. We finished with types of angles. Now we'll see pair of angles. Adjacent pair of angles. What is the definition? A pair of angles whose one arm is common one arm is common, that's it, is known as adjacent pair of angles. Let me take one angle here. Correct? This is angle ABC. Alright? And this arm I am taking common. And this is another angle. Let's say DBA. So this pair of angles are adjacent because this pair of angles have only one arm in common, and such pair of angle is called adjacent pair of angles. Right? Let's see linear pair of angles. Well, this is one angle, correct? And this one, it's having one arm common, but the remaining arms form a straight line. Then these two angles is known as linear pair of angles. So a pair of adjacent angles, yes, these are adjacent because it is having one arm common. A pair of adjacent angles whose arms other than common, ये जो common है उसके सिवाय के arms, alright, forms a line is known as linear pair of angles. You may name it. This is ABC and here it's ABD. So ABC and ABD form a linear pair of angles. Next, complementary pair of angles. There are two angles, children, angle A and angle B. They may be adjacent, they may not be adjacent. But if their total measure is 90 degree, then angle A and angle B is known as complementary pair of angles. Similarly, supplementary pair of angles, a pair of angles whose total measure is 180. Let's say angle P and angle Q. If their total measure is 180 degree, they may be adjacent, they may not be adjacent, but if their total measure is found to be 180 degree, then it is called supplementary pair of angles. So you have to enter everything this in your notebook, please, and that's why I'm giving you the definitions here. Okay. Finally, those two important true or false. Every linear pair of angle is always supplementary. Children, this is linear pair, correct? आप ऐसे ड्रॉ करो. This two angle is also linear pair. आप vertical ड्रॉ करो, ऐसे linear pair बनाओ. This, okay? So ये सारे linear pairs ही है. And you can see total 180, total 180, total 180. So they are always supplementary. So this statement is true. Clear to you? Chaliye. Every supplementary pair of angles is always linear pair of angles. चलिए, इसका measure 30 degree और इसका measure 150 degree. ये total 180 हो रहा है. इसका measure 40 degree और इसका 140 डिग्री, करेक्ट. इसका मेजर 90 और दूसरे पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स का भी 90. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ 150 प्लस 30 इज 180, here 140 plus 40 is 180 and here 90 plus 90 is 180. ये फर्स्ट पेयर, ये सेकंड पेयर और ये थर्ड पेयर, all each of these three pairs are supplementary because their total measure is 180. But are they linear pair? यहाँ तो नहीं, यहाँ है, यहाँ नहीं. But every time they are not linear. So this statement is false. So that's all, children, in this session. Meet you again with fresh session, that is in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.